Under a lush mango tree, a wise green parrot gathered a group of birds. The forest echoed with cheerful chirps as the parrot shared stories and promised to help those in need. Everyone loved the parrot's kind heart. Hidden behind the thick bushes, a naughty monkey listened quietly. His eyes were filled with mischief, and he smiled slyly as he planned to take the fruits the parrot was collecting for the hungry animals. Every day, the parrot picked ripe mangoes and dropped them gently for the poor forest creatures. Squirrels, deer, and birds all came to enjoy the sweet gift. The forest was happy and peaceful. But at night, the monkey crept in silently and stole every fruit. He filled his own hiding spot, leaving nothing behind. The next morning, the animals found the spot empty and left disappointed. The forest grew quiet. Hungry eyes searched the ground, but there were no fruits. The monkey giggled from the treetops, thinking he had fooled everyone. The parrot watched in silence, thinking of a plan. The parrot created fake mangoes, using dry leaves and tied them carefully with vines. He hung them just where the monkey would look. "Tonight, let's see who's really clever," the parrot whispered to himself. At night, the monkey rushed to steal the fruits again, but got tangled in the vines. All the animals gathered as the monkey apologized in shame. The parrot forgave him, and the forest learned the power of honesty and kindness.